Today we're excited to introduce the Baby Bassinet Bedside Sleeper for Baby, a perfect blend of comfort and convenience for your newborn. This bedside bassinet features a four-sided all-mesh design, ensuring maximum breathability and visibility, so you can keep a close eye on your little one while they rest. The Lil Pengyu baby crib is designed with a washable soft mattress, providing a cozy and hygienic sleeping environment for your baby. Its elegant navy blue color adds a touch of style to any nursery, while the sturdy construction supports up to 20 pounds, making it a reliable choice for your infant. Assembly is required, but with easy-to-follow instructions, you'll have it set up in no time, ready to offer your baby a safe and comfortable sleep space. Whether you're a new parent or adding to your growing family, this bedside crib is a must-have for creating those precious early bonding moments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and parenting tips. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.